Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me. If you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today I'm going over this green and yellow eye look. So I was inspired to do this look by somebody on Instagram. Her name is mama_makeyouup. She's absolutely amazing. Her makeup looks are stunning. So she did this gorgeous green and yellow look, and I just really wanted to recreate it, so this is my take on that. I'm going to leave her information down in the description box so you guys can go on Instagram and give her a follow and check out all her fun videos and photos. So let's go ahead and get started with this look. Alright, we're starting off with this Morphe 35B palette, which is so beautiful and bright. I'm going into this bright yellow, and I'm using a Sigma E40 brush to blend this shade into the crease. I'm really blending it in the crease and above the crease as well, and just kind of blowing it out in the crease area. Using a Sigma E25 brush, I'm going to go into this green shade. And this shade I'm going to work into the crease and the outer corner of the eye. And I'm just going to keep packing on more color just to deepen it up and just blend it out kind of outside the outer corner as well, kind of in a wing shape. Now using the same brush, I'm going to go into this darker shade of green and just kind of put it over what we've already done just to deepen it up even more and just really blend it into that yellow. Now using a Sigma E39 brush, I'm going into the black shade, and I'm just putting this right on the outer corner just to deepen it up right in the outer corner area and just really blend this in. I hardly ever use black shadow, so when I do, I just like blend forever because I always have such a hard time using black. So just really blend this out, and I find this brush really works well for the dark shades like that. This is the Sigma Buff and Blend E39, and it just really helps to blend out those darker shades. Now using a flat definer, this is the Sigma E15, I'm going into the lighter green shade, and I'm going to line the lower lash line about 3/4 of the way across. And then I'm going to go into the yellow shade and line the inner quarter of the lower lash line up into that inner corner area as well. Then I'm taking just this little e.l.f. crease brush, which I like to use on the lower lash line to really blend out colors. So I'm just doing the same thing with the yellow and the green and just really smoking it out. Now using a Sigma E62 brush, I'm going into this concealer that's by Beauty for Real. And I'm going to do a half cut crease, so I'm just kind of carving out the inner corner of the eyelid area with this concealer. Now I'm just going to pick up the E25 brush again. I didn't add any product, I'm just kind of softening that line between the concealer and that green shade so it's not harsh. Now using a Sigma E56, I'm going to go into this shimmery yellow shade, which is so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. That's not even with a wet brush or anything. That is just straight out of the palette, which I think is amazing. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this over the area we cut out with the concealer. And now using that same brush, I'm going to go into this shimmery green shade and just put this in between the yellow shimmer and the dark green just to make that transition a little bit more seamless. For the lower waterline, I'm using the Sigma Inner Rim Brightener. This is in the shade Final Touch, and then I'm using that flat definer with this nice bright yellow, and I'm just going to place it over the top of that, right in the waterline. Using the E56 brush, I'm going into that yellow shimmer, and I'm going to go ahead and put it all over the inner corner and kind of bring it along the inner lower waterline or lower lash line area. Then I popped on some winged eyeliner and lashes, and this look is complete. I hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to go check out mama_makeyouup on Instagram. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go give me a follow on there. I post daily so you can see new looks all the time. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this look. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.